Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Retirement Planning with Harbin. And today we are going to basically go through another point which we have discussed, I have discussed in another video, which is to basically take advantage of opportunities around the brokerage or the banking system. Make sure that you always look for good offers, good bonuses offered by these big banks and sometimes regional banks, and then make sure you take advantage of it because there is no point basically getting married to one single brokerage or bank. Make sure that you avail all the opportunities that come your way, especially in retirement, because every a dollar count, and basically that can help you fulfill your financial freedom and basically gives you more cash flow. One such opportunity I come across after the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, when I was looking for diversifying my brokerage portfolios. As you understand, the brokerage insurance, which is SIPC, only protect 500,000 in any brokerage firm. Anything above that is at risk. So I thought of basically diversifying into multiple brokerage firms. And then I was looking for which brokerage firm to open accounts in. I come across Wells Fargo Premier High Net Individual Checking Account bonus offer, which was $2,500. That's a huge offer. I have never come across such a big offer, and I basically immediately, as soon as I actually came to know yesterday, March 31st, and as soon as I came across this offer, I called them up because they said, okay, get your code. You cannot open this account online. You have to go into the branch and have the account open in branch. So the first thing I did is got the code in my email account, and then after getting the code, I called the nearest bank branch and then asked if they have an appointment. But unfortunately, they said that okay, we don't have an appointment. It's only 3 hours left, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1 hour per appointment, and we have all the 3 slots full. Then they gave that okay, you can go to the Huston Yard branch. It's a new branch. There might be actually scope for an appointment there. So I immediately called that branch, and they had an appointment at 4 p.m. So I took that appointment, and then I went there with my wife to open a new account. Luckily, both my wife and I had a profile set up in Wells Fargo. We actually used another option, like 10-15 years back, when we were in California, and we basically opened an account and then closed it once that offer was fulfilled. And but the profile remained, and somehow their profiles were automatically updated, except our license, the driving license, which still pointed to the California address. They have updated the profile address to the latest Manhattan, New York address, so it was automatically updated. I asked them that okay, my goal is to not basically stash. So far, as part of this requirement for bonus, you have to basically move 250,000 because this is a premier client relationship account. It's a premier checking, and as part of the qualified linked balance, you have to have $250,000 stashed in New York. Okay, so you have to move 250,000 in new deposit to qualifying linked account by day 45, and maintain at least 250,000 balance through day 90 in order to get the bonus. So I told them that, okay, the only thing I am interested in basically moving this to a self-directed account. I don't want to basically have a wealth management private client, and I don't want to basically put that money in a checking saving account. So they said, okay, let me clarify, and they basically called their back office, clarified whether the wealth trade, which is their self-directed account, is eligible for this promotion or not. And they said that, okay, it is eligible. And then I thought, okay, very good. So if this is eligible, good, I can just basically then open a self-directed brokerage account, wealth trade, and then I'll be able to move my assets from Merilage into this to avail this offer. So I've already opened the wealth trade account. They needed signatures to be sent either by fax or by mail, so I faxed them the signed copy of the agreement after opening the account. Once they receive that, it will take a couple of days to basically open. So most likely by next Friday they will be able to open the account, and then it will take 10 days to actually transfer. It took 10 days to transfer to JP Morgan, so it will also take 10 days to transfer this to Wells Fargo. So keep tuned. I will basically mention in one of my monthly first week of Saturday health check whether I have received the 2,500 or not, and if there was any issues receiving that money. But I'm hopeful that this will go smoothly. It went smoothly with Charles Schwab in 2020 and hope 2021, and it will actually be going smoothly now with both Chase and Wells Fargo. But I think it's a good opportunity. If you want to actually take advantage of it, please contact Wells Fargo and look for other options. Basically, there are always offers outstanding. Point is to not get married to your brokerage or your bank, and always look out for good offers so that you can basically get these bonuses. It's actually a good thing if you look at it. $2,500 if Wells Fargo gives and $5,700 JP Morgan gives. If I can do this every year and generate $3,500, not bad. Okay, I can spend it on my hobby or something else, and it's actually as good. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Thanks, sir.